there is an ongoing debate whether there will be more or less demand for software engineers in the future. So here's an example of Steve, who posted a controversial take whether there will be prediction there will be more demand for software developers in 2026, 2030 than there was in 2020 to 2025. What do you think? One argument for more developers and more demand is that the software industry is becoming so much more competitive that you need to just keep up with everyone. You need to run way faster to be competitive. You need to ship more features. They need to be better. You need to run 10 agents at the same time, shipping new features, responding to customers, because you're having FOMO that if you're not doing it, your competitors will, and they will. At the same time, their demand is not really for the quantum of developers, but really for the quality of developers. You want just one person or maybe two people team who are able to ship really outstanding quality of products with infinite amount of tokens at their disposal, who just able to ship and they're able to, have the entire system in just one brain. Why should I hire more than, even one developer if I'd rather have just one who's really, really good, pay them maybe just 20% more, or maybe it's like above the market average, maybe even 30%, maybe even 50%. It's still way cheaper and easier, not just from the just monetary perspective, but even from cognitive perspective of organization, to have one person rather than multiple people. It's better to have one or a few really, really high profile, really, really skilled people who are really off the charts and they're really leveraged with all these latest models and technology, rather than have like a myriad of interns who just running around creating a little bit of productivity, but really they're net negative to your organization. Why would you do that as a founder of a company or as a leader in an organization? Also, going back to the thesis that there will be more developers, probably the term of developer is going to be changing as well. People are no longer coding, they're no longer shipping code hands-on. But also the second question is, what's their background? Do they have engineering understanding? Are those developers, the new definition of developers is someone who used to code and now they're just prompting? Are they prompt engineers now? Or is it someone who doesn't even have to have any hands-on coding experience, and they should just have high-level system architecture understanding of the systems? And is that good enough? Maybe for some organization that's good enough, but for maybe more technical and organizations that really want to have an edge and where product really matters more than the distribution, some vibe coders will probably do just fine in those roles. What do you think? What's the future of software developer roles? More demand? Is it more niche demand and more intense for fewer people? Or there will be still more opportunities for a lot of people out there who are just going to be part of organization? Maybe they will be called product engineers. Anyway, I'd like to understand your take. Write down below in the comments. Well, I really need to start speaking slower.